ẹ̀yin tèmi actress Lola Alao wọ́n ti jáde o, wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó èyí tó ń lọ káàkiri orí ayélujára. Wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé ó ṣe ní láàánú wípé orúkọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń lọ káàkiri bó ṣe ń lọ tí àwọn èèyàn sì ń bà lórúkọ jẹ́, táwọn èèyàn ń sọ nǹkan tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa Ìyábọ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé Ìyábọ̀ èèyàn gidi ni wọ́n ní abiyamọ tòótọ́ ni. Actress Lola Alao wọ́n ròyìn ilẹ̀kùn irú ẹ̀dá èyí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó èyí tí ó jẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kémi àti yín ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí actress Lola Alao sọ. Gbogbo ohun tẹ́yin náà bá rò lórí fídíò ọ̀hún ẹ fi dáhùn yín ẹ fi sí orí comment section. Ire o.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ṣé dáadáa mo bá yín? Mo ṣe fídíò yìí torí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìyábọ̀ is a very good person. Ìyábọ̀ is a kind-hearted person. Ìyábọ̀ is a cheerful giver. Ìyábọ̀ máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀ agbẹ́tẹ̀ni ẹlẹ́ni sórí, abiyamọ gidi ni. Òní wọ́n wá ń drag orúkọ, wọ́n á rubbish, wọ́n á parọ́ mọ́. But all I know is that àfi tí ò bá sí Ọlọ́run nìkan lókun, àfi tí Ọlọ́run ò bá ní ká máa ṣòdodo lókun, àfi tí Ọlọ́run ò bá ní ká máa ṣe dáadáa nìkan lókun. Tó ló jẹ́ pé dáadáa lọ́lọ́run ní ká máa ṣe, tí Ìyábọ̀ dẹ̀ ń ṣe dáadáa tí ẹ̀yin ayé tẹ̀dẹ̀ yí fún. Ìyábọ̀ ló máa borí o. Èmi mọ̀ yẹn náà because gbogbo oore tí Ìyábọ̀ ti ṣe ni wọ́n sọ di bí fún. Wọ́n máa ṣe hàn. Ìyábọ̀ wàá borí àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀, ìwọ ló máa borí torí onínú rere ni ẹ́. Ìyábọ̀ máa dúró tìyàn ni. Mo rántí ọ̀rọ̀ nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló dùn mí jù. Ó dùn mí because jẹ́jẹ́ ni Ìyábọ̀ wà lé ẹ lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Torí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti pè mí tẹ́lẹ̀. He had called me before and told me that he was going to come to Canada, and I said no problem. Then later I heard that he was arrested, and I said I didn't know what to do. I called Iyabo. Iyabo was in our house. I called her and I told her that she should please try and help me, that they've arrested them, that somebody called me and said Baba Ijesha has been arrested. Iyabo now said she was going to call her lawyer. Lawyer, please ask Baba Ijesha that while he was in this police cell, who sent a lawyer there to bail him? I did. Emi àti Iyabo. Lajoro lawyer lọ pé kó lọ bail Ijesha lọ́jọ́ yẹn lọ. Ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ijesha. Ijesha okay. Ó wà láyé o, kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe, ó dẹ̀ máa bọ́ bí tó wà yẹn. Ẹ béèrè. Emi àti Iyabo la rán lawyer lọ. Ìgbà tí lawyer dé, lawyer wá sọ pé wọ́n lè bail ẹ pé ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú rape. Púpọ̀ assault ọmọdé. Ibi tí gbogbo ẹ ti rí wọ́n ni o. Ìyábọ̀ dẹ̀ ni kò ń gbọ́rọ̀ ọmọ sótì, kò ń gbọ́rọ̀ ọmọdé, kò ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n fi ìyà jẹyàn. Bóyá ká ní mo ti mọ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn, màmá ti pè sọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Mistake tí mo ṣe ni Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rí inú mi pé oore la fẹ́ ṣe. Òun ni wọ́n ń lo against Eleni kó tó wá di yànkùnyàn rẹ̀. Ilé ayé ìṣá. Ìyábọ̀ màmá Mohbad o, wọ́n ti gbà tó lọ London. Wọn ò kí ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ìgbà tó lọ London ni Mohbad rí o, tí Mohbad bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ipe wọ́n bully o. Òun ló fi lọ gbọ́ rẹ̀ sọ nígbà tó gbọ́ pokú. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n relate, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ papọ̀. Oore. Bóyá mímọ́ olóore òkè Jésù tí kò tó. Àfi tí ò bá sí Ọlọ́run nìkan ló kù. Mo ò ké torí pé kì í ní o because mo mọ̀ wípé ọmọ ológo nǹkan tójú wọn máa rí nìyẹn. Èmi gbọ́n tí mo wà nílùú ìbú, mo wọ̀ sí tí mo ti rí, màá pè Ìyábọ̀, màá ní Ìyábọ̀, ilẹ̀ aníláyé àǹtí mi, Ọlọ́run rán yín iṣẹ́ ni, ẹ parí iṣẹ́ tó lọ́wọ́ mi. Ìyábọ̀ máa dúró tìyàn gan. Ìyábọ̀ will stand by you. Ìyábọ̀ will support you. Ìyábọ̀ will do everything to make you happy. Iyabo doesn't like to see people suffer or cry. Iyabo will give what she doesn't even have to other people. Iyabo wants everybody to be okay. I wonder why she's going through, why they are dragging her name like this. Iyabo, I stand by you. I'm here for you because I know you're a good person. Ẹ wo ọjọ́ yẹn tí kan lady kan jáde tó ní ó gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ó ṣe gbà. Mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn mo ní mo ní Iyabo tèmi mọ̀ ní Iyabo ò mọ̀ rí. Ìgbà tí mo máa pè Iyabo àti mi rí mi mọ̀ rí. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bá orúkọ èèyàn jẹ́, ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wo Tanzania kalo. Look at the Tanzania we went to. I was in my hotel room when Iyabo just sent me a message. Hotel fully paid. I was like, how? I know you're spending money. I didn't come here to come and collect money from you. I've paid for my hotel. I had to go downstairs and tell the receptionist. They asked them, why do they collect double money? Told them to refund her money. That's the kind of person she is. She doesn't care. Even when it's not convenient, she wants you to be happy. She wants everybody to be happy. I don't know why she has to go through all this. Anyways, because she's a great person. Omologo nkan to ju won ma ri lele. Iyabo. And I'm saying it. People that, you know, it's not everybody that knows you very well. I do. Mumwe dada. You are a good person. You are a kind-hearted person. You are a lovable person. You are a cheerful giver. For that singular reason. You remember, for that reason, you were conquered. Iyabo, when Festus came home, Festus was in his final year. He came home, and they refused to give him back. They didn't allow him to go back to America. They didn't renew his visa, his student visa. You called me and you were crying. That Auntie Lola, me that used to help other people's children. I pay other people's children's school fees. I help a lot of people. Why is God doing this to me? I told you on that day that is for a reason. You said no. And you were crying. I told you no. Most of my people no. Omologo omolore o kin jisi koto o le ma tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ èyàn kó ma ṣoore fa àwọn ọmọ èyàn ko lo ma wá wo titi ẹ pé kó jìyà. Kò pé ẹni COVID dìde. Mi fi ya wọn tó kú l'America. A lot of students, a lot of people kú. Bo Ọlọ́run bá mi gbé Festus kúrò torí oore tó ń ṣe. Festus yẹn kọ́ ló ti graduate nísìn. Torí oore tó ń ṣe náà ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ń rí. Iyabo wọn fún ẹ lórúkọ kórúkọ ni o. Sórí gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n bá tún wọ́n ṣe báyìí Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá tó mọ̀ pé onínú rere ni a bá mi sọ á sọ ibi yẹn á sọ di ògo fún ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run ìwọ ló máa borí gbogbo ibi ìwọ ló máa borí ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run because èèyàn dáadáa ni ẹ. You are a good person, you are a kind-hearted person, you are a cheerful giver. Iyabo, I'm here for you because you're a good person. And I'm telling you, those of you that doesn't know Iyabo is a good person. And I'll boldly say it. Iyabo is a good person. It's just that most people, you know, when you do good to them, they pay you back with evil, but it's fine. But I know God is there that will judge individually accordingly. Iyabo is a very good person. You will conquer, you will win. It is a face that will fade off. Iyabo, you're a good person and I love you. And I'm still saying it, please. Anybody that sees Ijesha, ask Ijesha why he was in the police station. Who was the first person that sent a lawyer to him to bail him? Ask him. He will tell you it's Lola Alao. That's the kind of person we are. But it is well. Thank you.